Want to make viral skeleton shorts that get millions of views, entirely with AI? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's see what I create first.
A skeleton walks into a cafe, craving a nice warm cup of coffee. He reaches into his pocket, only to find he doesn't have enough money. He stands there, awkward and a little embarrassed, not sure what to do next.
Okay, now let's start. The first step is to brainstorm your video idea. You don't need to struggle thinking up something funny, just let ChatGPT do it for you. Simply tell it, give me viral skeleton video ideas. It will give you a list of creative scenes. Pick the one that excites you the most. Once you choose one, tell ChatGPT write a complete story and describe the scene. Then generate AI prompt according to these scenes. Feed this prompt into any video converter, AI image generator, and you'll get reference images for your video. Remember, use the same character image as a reference to make sure the style is consistent. Next, tell ChatGPT to write prompt to animate the images, and open any video converter AI video generator. Import the images, copy the prompt, set video length, and generate. Within minutes, your skeleton shorts is ready. Now it's time for voiceover. Let ChatGPT write a short script for your video. Next, turn your script into speech using a text-to-speech tool.
A skeleton walks into a cafe, craving a nice warm cup of coffee. He reaches into his pocket, only to find he doesn't have enough money.
Finally, bring everything together in CapCut. Import your AI video and the voiceover. Use the auto subtitle feature, add background music and sound effects, and adjust the packing.
A skeleton walks into a cafe, craving a nice warm cup of coffee. He reaches into his pocket, only to find he doesn't have enough money.
And just like that, your viral skeleton short is ready to share with the world. With just AI tools and a few minutes, you can create endless viral skeleton shorts. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.